Hello viewers. Thank you for selecting my video. Hope this video is useful to you. In this segment, I'm explaining how to change the V-belt from the CUB CADET Z FORCE S lawnmower base belt. The model shown is 54 inches base cutter. Parts needed: CUB CADET part number 954-05013, or in Amazon you can get replacement part number 754-05013. Belt has two sides, a flat side, and V side. The first step is to remove the outer spindle cover from both sides. Use protective measures while removing the cover. Inspect base and bottom carefully. Check out any spindle damages at the bottom. If any damage found, take out to a service center. Once old belt safely removed, place the new belt aligned to the center spindle and outer ones. Belt has two sides, a flat side, and V side. V side is going inner to the black spindle, smaller spindle. The flat side goes into the larger metallic spindle. Pause and watch carefully the alignment. Larger spindle from the center head belt support the belt for maintaining the belt rotation. Hence, belt won't directly into the channel. So, remove the bolt attached to the spindle from bottom for inserting the flat side into the channel. Be careful while inserting the belt. Ensure you don't lift too much, which can take down spring the support spindle next to it. Remove the bolt attached to the spindle. Gentle and careful while lifting the spindle. Maintain the alignment with base bolt. Now, remove the second spindle bolt and align the flat side into the channel. Now align the belt to the motor main spindle at the back. Finally, try to align the last spindle from side. Use force until the belt goes all the way in and secured. Check the belt alignment once again. Put the cover back in. Now your lawnmower is ready to use. Enjoy the ride. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more videos.